up from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet.
You're not hopping up on the bed. No. Go out on your bed, please.
We
Go.
can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the
Good boy, go on.
We'll have a
Mackie,
Netflix
listen, go to bed.
candy saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin.
Good morning everyone, it's Carly. I hope you're all doing so well. Today I'm filming a vlog actually. I decided that I really needed like a hardcore self-care indulgent type pamper day, and sorry if you're hearing lots of noises. It was raining outside, and so I brought our little furry friend in, and he's been literally following me around the entire house, which is pretty standard for him. But now I think I'm going to go and do my skincare for the day, and then maybe get ready and take him for a WALK. So I'll show you guys my morning skincare routine actually, because I have updated it a little bit. So my morning skincare is actually pretty simple. I've already done my first step, which is I put on 2 or 3 drops of this Sunrise Oversea mattifying facial oil. It's got vitamin C and turmeric in it, and I always sort of put that on first and then go away and do a few things so it can sink into my skin. And then I've also done my deodorant Balm, and it's lavender and cedarwood. And now I'm going in with my next step, which is my day cream, and I'm using this jojoba hydrating peptide day cream with firming nature pep and ceramatides. And this one's a new one. I only just got it recently. It's very lightweight, which is nice for the daytime. If I have any active breakouts, I'll use this. It's my spot banishing gel by Sukin, and it's got in it willow herb, quince and salicylic acid, but I've just sort of got scarring at the moment, so nothing active, so I don't necessarily need to put that on. And then step 3 for me, so I've got step 1, which is my serum, step 2 is my moisturizer, and step 3 is my SPF. I've got this SPF 30, it's UVA and UVB broad spectrum sunscreen with zinc oxide and rosehip, and it's from Sukin as well. They're one of my favorite brands. I've been using them since I was 21. I like that they're Australian and more natural. Always make sure to take your sunscreen down your neck and put it on the back of your hands as well. And then I'm going to finish up with some lip balm. This is my current one. It's the Burt's Bees Cooling Eucalyptus, and it's very nice. It has a nice tingling sensation. And that's my skincare routine for the day done. I'm probably not going to put on any makeup for today, so leave my face a la natural and let it all soak in and do its goodness. My outfit for today is just about comfort. I've got this oversized cotton shirt on and some black biker shorts, both of which are from Cotton On. Thank you, Mac, for your contribution. And then underneath I've got my Gymshark sports bra. But now I need to ask a special question of our furry friend. Mackie, do you want to go for a walk? Do you want to go for a walk? That's a yes, I think. Is that a yes? Go for a walk. Yes? That's a yes. always wear a hat, protect your skin. You're stuck. What's happening here? You're stuck. I was hoping for a longer walk, but unfortunately we only got to do like up to the end of our street and back because midway through it starts raining again. So we're back home. I'm slightly wet, but I'm gonna make myself some breakfast, and since it is a pamper day, I'm going to sit down and watch a very cozy and uplifting episode of one of my favorite shows, Sweet Magnolias.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart, and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way?
One thing that I think really helps to cultivate like a slow living atmosphere on one of these rest days or self-care days is incorporating more intentional practices into your day. So for me, rather than doing some sort of more high intensity exercise today, I'm actually going to dedicate my movement time to stretching. I've actually created a full stretching playlist on YouTube. This is private, but these are just all like the stretching videos that I like to watch. Pretty much all of them are by Pamela, actually. I really like her, and I'm going to do today this 30-minute full body stretching. My lunch for the day is a little yogurt bowl I meal prepped last night. If you want to know the ingredients for it, I mention it in my That Girl morning routine, so go check that out. The sun's come out again, it's turned into quite a nice day. So Mackie and I have come down to the reserve by the water. I brought my books and I'm gonna sit in the car and do a little bit of reading. This is our view. I'm currently reading 2 books. The first one is this one. It's Lagom, The Swedish Art of Balanced Living. And it's sort of more of like a cute coffee table book rather than sort of anything super helpful. So I don't know necessarily that I'll be reading this again. If not, probably not in its entirety at least. Maybe pick it up and like read little bits and pieces. And then the second one is a fiction and it's One of Us is Lying. And I'm actually almost finished it and I really liked it. At first, it took me like a couple of chapters to get into it, but now I'm hooked and I still haven't found out who the killer is, and I really feel like I just have no idea either. So this one I definitely recommend if you like sort of crime, and it's sort of very teeny as well with elements of romance in there. So if that's up your alley, definitely give this book a look. A luxury Pamper day would be incomplete without a truly indulgent bath and sort of facial experience. So I'm in the bathroom, I've set up my diffuser and popped in some essential oils. I've also lit a candle and put that on the edge of the bath. I'm going to run the bath and I've got a few Lush bath bombs that I want to use up. I am going to make an entire video dedicated towards sort of testing and reviewing those, so make sure that you stay tuned and check that out. I'm also going to put in a few sort of bath salts to make it like a really kind of sensory experience. And then I also have 2 sample pots from Lush. The first one is the Lush Volcano Foot Mask, and then I've also got the Beauty Sleep Face and Body Mask. So while my bath is running, I'm going to put both of those on, and then when I get into the bath, I'm going to wash it off. I'm going to wash my face, and I'm just going to soak in the bath while probably listening to my Spotify Country Lovin' playlist. And it'll be an enjoyable and relaxing experience. I just got out of the bath, moisturized my entire body, cleaned out my ears, and I also exfoliated my feet. I know this sounds weird, but I have this little tool and it's kind of got, looks like a cheese grater on the bottom, but you just sort of run that along your feet, particularly the heel, and it gets rid of all the dead skin. It just makes you feel like really clean and fresh. It's currently 1:30 and it's raining again. and I've got a dentist appointment at 3:30. I know, like, perfect way to end a pamper day, not. But I hate it when you have an appointment that's sort of at like a weird time and you feel like you can't really get stuck into doing anything. So you sort of just got to wait around for that appointment. Well, that's me at the moment. So 2 hours I think is enough time to watch a really cheesy chick flick with a cuppa. I've got my cuppa and a little bit of chocky. And I actually switched over to Amazon Prime and I chose the movie After, which I haven't seen, but I've heard some good things. So I'm gonna sit down, relax, watch that, eat my chocolate, drink my cuppa, and enjoy a little bit of my Arvo before that grueling dentist appointment. Thanks guys so much for coming along on this relaxing pamper day with me. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I put out new videos every single week. With that being said, I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your week and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.